Hi guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Funfetti Cupcakes. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you want to take your milk, and into your milk add in the vinegar, mix to combine, and then set aside until needed a little later on. Then grab yourself another large mixing bowl and go ahead and just place in your dry ingredients to start with. So I like to start with adding my sugar, followed by my flour and my raisin agents. Then just give it all a brief mix until it's fully combined. Once it's combined, you can then stop and add in the sprinkles, and again you can add these in now or later. I find now works fine, but some people will add them later on, and just mix those in until they're fully incorporated. With the mix still going, just feel free to start adding the whey ingredients. So I just added all of the buttermilk, followed by the vanilla and the oil, and just mix until it's fully combined and you've got a cake mixture. It will be similar to that of kind of like a box mix, in the aspect it's got that kind of add the wet to the dry, which is very simple. Once it's combined, give it all a good mix together just to combine any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then take your muffin pan, which has been lined with some liners. I'm using a half recipe, but I will share a full recipe up on my blog, so just keep that in mind, but I will let you know how many it makes on the recipe anyway. Then fill your case with 2/3 or 3/4 of the whey full. Once you have, you can then place into your preheated oven and bake them off. All that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check out if you're interested. Piping the buttercream into a piping bag fitted with your nozzle of choice. Take your cupcakes, which are baked and fully cooled, and just pipe the buttercream on top, as much or as little as you would like. I went with a good amount because a cupcake needs a good amount, you just know. Then top the rosette or the decoration with some sprinkles. Repeat the process until you've got them all decorated. Then you are pretty good to go. I also had some of these birthday meringue kisses that I used for another recipe that wasn't really a recipe, it was more trialing a recipe. I just placed one of these on top of each cupcake just to add a little something, because why not, you know. And then here is what they look like. They're very quick, very easy, very simple. What's not to like? So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.